Here are Cameron and Jesse's new cars that they got. Uh-oh. Grandma, can you get Jesse's car? Here's how they ride on their cars. See how they can make them go? Look at how good these babies ride on their cars. He can beep his horn. Yeah. Here he comes. Good job, Jesse. Yeah. Yeah, and it's got a shifter on it. He's shifting it. Yeah, you do so good on that. Let's take a look at Cameron, see how Cameron's doing on his car. Hi, Cameron. Are you driving your car? Boy, that's a nice car you got there. See what Jesse can do with his car? Jesse can push his car. Where did Cameron go? Huh? There he is. Oh, he's popping a wheelie. He's popping a wheelie.
Wow, look at him go.
Neat.
Woo.
Popping a wheelie. Popping wheelies. Wow, look at you. Okay, I'm moving. Okay.
What continent's Madagascar?
Africa. It's off the east coast of Africa. In the Indian Ocean. Sure.
We're not going to pay him. Even if I got it and he missed it.
Seems like no matter which way I push this thing, I always zoom the wrong way.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ow, don't run over my toe. Let's open up the curtains and see how this thing takes in the sunlight. See how the picture looks with some brighter light. I just opened that curtain up just briefly to see how it looks with brighter light. This is Jesse being mad. This is Jesse being mad because his car is stuck. This is Jesse being mad, having a temper tantrum. All right, come on. Sorry, bud. I didn't realize you were in duress. Not in a dress. In duress. He had run over his own foot. Did you know that, Grandma? This boy had run over his own foot. It was a terrible traffic accident. You gotta watch out driving cars, boy. It can be dangerous. Poor baby, he'd run over his foot, man. I didn't know it. I don't know how he ran over his own foot.
Pretty talented, maybe.
Hi, Cameron in the box. Hey, Cameron. Hi. What is that? Have you got a truck? That's pretty neat. Look at that truck. Yeah, don't touch it. Don't touch it. That's the lens.
She was a pedestrian. She was walking home from work. She moved to Washington, D.C. because she could work.
Hi, Cameron. Oh, Jesse's wiggling my arm. Ah, earthquake.
So what happened that day 4 years ago?
Well, I left my office around 5:25 p.m. Doing my normal routine, walking, which I enjoyed. It was my form of exercise. Got to an intersection in a business district, and I stood there waiting for the crosswalk to...
Still on the curb?
Still on the curb, waiting at the curb, at the crosswalk, just waiting for my signal.
Hi, Jesse. What have you got?
Across the street.
You got a
And
phone?
the light turned yellow.
Oh, wow. That's pretty neat. Who are you talking to? Are you talking to Grandma and Grandpa on the phone? Say hi, Grandpa. Can you say hi, Grandpa? Ouch.
Severing my right leg, my left foot. And I was conscious the entire time. I was conscious from the time I was hit until the time my leg was actually in danger. Well, the driver got out of the car, but he wasn't...
Cameron's working with his tools. He's got a drill. He's fixing his car. His car needs work.
I laid there. Yes, well, I was lying on the ground. The impact of it's not my glasses.
Jesse, give Cameron back his toys. Cameron, oh, did he steal your toys? Oh, my poor baby. Cameron, don't break Grandma's table. Cameron.
First prognosis when I got to the emergency room was, Miss Adams, I'm sorry, we're not going to be able to save your life.
You know.
Just get the Delta
There's
Sky
no
Miles
excuse for
credit
anything you
card.
do.
No, there's not. I suck.
Express service on the ground and Delta Airlines service in the sky.
I do the wrong thing every time.
Always do.
I buy the wrong thing.
Marry the wrong man, you have the wrong number of babies.
Yeah.
Wrong sex of babies.
I know.
Don't
God.
buy the right groceries.
I'm the wrong weight. I'm the wrong.
You have the wrong parents.
Jeez.
And when you apply now,
Jinkies. My life sucks.
low introductory rate.
Call 1-800-SKY-MILE. Line now.
Jinky. Did you hear him say Jinky?
Jinkies.
The sooner you get the Delta
Who
Sky
said it,
Miles
Jesse?
credit card,
Jinkies.
you can get
Jinkies.
you really want to go.
Oh, is it going now?
What about him? What about him? You know, every motherfucker's car, my son would have stopped four-cylinder car. Could have had receipts of this. Exactly. He's a modified car, six-cylinder.
Cameron, you don't bite your brother. That's not nice. Why did you do that, Cameron? Huh, Cameron? Can you tell Mommy why you did that?
For some people, it's a deadly game. These victims who spend road rage to save their lives.
With the Craftsman Auto Wash, the latest breakthrough from Sears Craftsman tools. How's it going under there, Stan?